Hi, today we're talking about confined space and we're talking about gas monitors. Today what we're going to be doing is talking about this MSA Altair. It's the 4XR. There are plenty of other ones out there, but what I'm going to do is give you the fundamentals of what we should be checking for on a gas monitor. So they're all going to be the same. Make sure it's all in good condition, clean. We have sensor ports here. These sensor ports, behind each one of these is a sensor which then samples the air. Make sure the sensor ports are clean and clear of any debris, dust and dirt. You have a screen. Screens can be on the top, they can be on the side or the front. Make sure there's no cracks on the screen. Make sure the casing is in good working order to maintain its intrinsically safe capabilities. You'll see on this one here we have a loop on the top or a clip, because what we don't want to be doing is we don't have clips or hooks. When you put it on, you put it inside pockets or in bags I've seen before, because what you then do is you block the sensors. So once we're happy and it's in date, there should be a calibration date, we can then turn the machine on. Again, some machines have different sounds. What you've heard on this one was an actual sound of this model and its alarm. You can hear it bleeping. It's going through what we call a function test. So what it's now doing is sampling the air and making sure that the battery is fully charged, because you don't want to be going to confined spaces with a half fully charged battery. Even a simple thing, if you turn the on-off button once after this, you actually get a backlight. So even in the darkest parts of the confined space, you can actually see what you're looking at. It'll go through the whole function of what every sensor. This one's a 4-gas monitor, so the highs and lows of oxygen, which I'll discuss later, the highs and lows of carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, and LELs, or in this particular model it's come out as combination explosives, COMB-X. So once we're happy, we have a look, we have a choice of either fast testing it, we can click it. As long as we're in clean air, it's checking to say that all our 4 sensors are working correctly. We now have a home screen of what we should be looking at, and that is oxygen of 20.8 and no other gases, and they are 0, 0, 0, and we can move ahead with something that we call a peak reading.